Today we're in a sun-kissed field opposite Lambay Island in County Dublin, having a closer look at a staple product in farmers' inventory, Baler Twine. Whatever your baling needs, we have the twine for you. Our Baler twines are manufactured on the latest state-of-the-art extrusion lines. We use fully computerized extrusion technology that are linked directly to automated robotic twisting systems. As a result, guaranteeing consistent, high knot efficiency for top performance. All farmers' Baler twines are manufactured from 100% virgin polypropylene granulate. Using tolerances stipulated in relevant ISO standards designed by UPU Industries, our delivery goals for Baler twine are UV protection, maximum knot strength, guaranteed length, mechanically fibrillated and suitable for all makes and models of baler. If you would like to learn even more about our Baler twine or any of our other products, please get in touch today.